Good morning, friends. How are you doing? How are you feeling today? Palak Didi is feeling happy. Uh, so today the objective of the class is we will be able to solve word problem for subtraction. So we've already done a word problem for subtraction in our previous math class, but in order to practice more, in order to learn more and develop the skill of solving word problem, we will do it in today's lesson as well. All right. So we all remember certain keywords, right? There are certain keywords in the problem statement, in the question that we read. So these are the keywords that we always remember just to understand that we have to solve subtraction now and not any other operation. All right. So there is take away. Take away matlab le jana. Less than यानी what is कम मतलब उससे less than मतलब कम होना. फिर माइनस वी ऑल नो लेफ्ट मतलब बचा हुआ रिमेन्स ऑल्सो मतलब बचा हुआ डिफरेंस वी ऑल नो सपोज देर इज अ थिंग एक्स एंड अ थिंग वाई उस दोनों के बीच में कितना अंतर है एक्स और वाई में कितना अंतर है कितना डिफरेंस है देन डिक्रीज वी ऑल नो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर राइट बड़े से छोटा होना डिक्रीज ऑल्सो मीन्स द सेम थिंग डिक्रीज मतलब बड़े से छोटा होना ज्यादा से कम हो जाना और जब ज्यादा से कम होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन माइनस राइट देन हाउ मच मोर यानी कि उससे कितना ज्यादा है ठीक है तो सपोज मेरे पास 10 एप्पल्स हैं श्रेया दीदी के पास 20 एप्पल्स हैं तो श्रेया दीदी के पास हाउ मच मोर एप्पल्स श्रेया दीदी हैज तो श्रेया दीदी के पास कितने ज्यादा एप्पल्स हैं व्हाट यू विल डू नाउ you will try to subtract because Freya Didi has more apples. Now you will subtract from number of apples that Freya Didi has to number of apples that Palak Didi has. Alright, so you will try to subtract. Then how many are left? कितना बचा हुआ है तो सपोज श्रेया दीदी के पास 10 एप्पल्स था पलक दीदी के पास 10 एप्पल्स था बट पलक दीदी वांट्स मोर एप्पल and Freya Didi gave 5 apples to Palak Didi. Now, how many are left with Freya Didi? Freya Didi के पास 5 apples देने के बाद कितना बचा? Again, what you will do is subtract. All right. So these are the keywords that we all are keeping in mind. We have already learned about them. And I would also want you all to take 2 minutes now and read all the words that are there on the screen that you can see on the screen right now. Okay, take 2 minutes and read take away, less than, minus, left, remains, difference, decrease, subtract, how much more, how many are left. Okay, we will move on to the question part. All right, now we will try to solve the problem. Okay, Palakdi will quickly read the question. So first thing that we are going to do is read the question. All right, first thing that we are doing is reading. Just the way we do in Arsina, similarly we will do here as well. We will read the question. Okay, so in 2001, the population of a city was 21 lakhs 43,567. In 2011, it was 28 lakhs 9,878. By how much did the population grow? I have read the full question. Now I will read one sentence at a time. Okay, read one sentence at a time and annotate for the words that we understand. Okay, now we will annotate for the words that we understand, that we know the meaning of. So in 2001, the population matlab number of people. We all know population matlab number of people. ठीक है, ऑफ अ सिटी तो एक सिटी में कितने लोग थे इतने थे ठीक है सो द नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन अ सिटी वाज 21,43,567. In 2011 में after around 10 years it was इतना, ठीक है। तो 2001 में पॉपुलेशन इतना था, ठीक है, और 2011 में पॉपुलेशन इतना हो गया, ठीक है। फिर बाय हाउ मच डिड द पॉपुलेशन ग्रो, बाय हाउ मच यानी कि बाय कितना, कितना पॉपुलेशन यानी नंबर ऑफ पीपल, ग्रो मतलब बड़ा, ठीक है। तो 2001 में कितना था, फिर 2011 में कितना बढ़ गया। ओके, सो व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड इज सब्ट्रैक्शन, वी आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस कि 2011 में कितना था, फिर 2001 में कितना था, फिर 2011 में कितना हो गया, ठीक है। So second thing that we will do is we will try to read the numbers, ठीक है। So we will try to assign the place name to this number. Okay, so this is unit, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000. Can you all also try to read it with Palak Didi? Try to assign the place value with Palak Didi. This was 10,000 and this is lakh and this is 10 lakh. Okay, perfect. So this is how we are going to read and write the number. Okay, so and then we will see which number is bigger, 2011 number is bigger or 2001 wala number is bigger. Okay, again we will write your unit, 10, 100, 1000. Can you all also read with Palak Didi? 10,000. Oh, Palak Didi forgot to put an H here. 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Perfect. Now what we are going to do is we are going to compare the number because we don't know अभी कौन से number में से किसको minus करना है. We don't know right now. All right. So we will compare. We all know how to compare the number, right? We all know कि कौन सा बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा है. So we will compare and see both have same number of place names. Place value दोनों का same है. 2 lakh and 2 lakh. 20 lakh and 20 lakh here. All right. Then we will see on the on the lakhs place which one is bigger. This is 1 lakh and this is 8 lakhs. So which one will be bigger? 8 lakh wala will be bigger, right? So what I will do again here is I will write the number here. Okay, so Palak Didi is going to write the number here. Because 28 lakh wala number is bigger. So Palak Didi will write 28 lakh 9,000 and 878. Okay, and in 2001 the population was this much, which is a smaller. Okay, so we will write here 21, 43, 567. Okay, so these are the two numbers that Palak Didi has written. Why Palak Didi has written like this? Because we are supposed to do minus. ठीक है, हमने minus का sign लगाया यहाँ पे. ठीक है, हम minus करेंगे. So we all know that the big number is 2011 वाला. Population बड़ा है 2011 में. तो और हमको बताना है कि population कितने number से बड़ा है. How much did the population grow? So we will do subtraction. Now let's see. Again we will assign the place name, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. And now we will do the minus. Can we subtract, wait, I will do some changes here.
दिव्या, ओ दिव्या, पानी निकाल दो। के सिर धोना है क्या? सिर धोगी क्या? सिर धोगी? हैं? तो फिर ये गर्म पानी नहर में ऊपर तो कपड़े डालिए तो बाहर। हाँ जी। फिर ये बाल्टी में का पानी गर्म कर दो तो ले। इस बाल्टी में से एक भगोनी पानी ले ले बढ़िया, गर्म करके इसी में डाल दे। तो मम्मी का अलग से हो जाएगा।
मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ, बीच बीच में डिस्टर्ब मत करो। So what we're going to do is we are now trying to find the subtraction because we are supposed to find how much the population grew. Can we subtract 8 minus 7? Yes, we can subtract 8 minus 7, which is 1. Can we subtract 7 minus 6? Yes, absolutely. We can subtract 7 minus 6. Again, 1. Can subtract 8 minus 5? Absolutely, we can subtract because 8 is bigger. 8 minus 5 would be 3. Can we subtract 9 minus 3? Yes, absolutely, we can subtract 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 gives me how many? 6. 0 and 4. Can you subtract 4 minus 0? Yeah, 4 minus 0 we can. But 0 minus 4? No. So what we will do is, we will go to the baju wala bhaiya and be like, bhaiya, ek number de do please. So we will ask 8 to give us one number. So now 8 will give one number to 0 and 0 will become 10. But now what will happen to 8? 8 has given one number. 8 will become 7. Correct. You are absolutely amazing, kids. Now we will do 10 minus 4. How much is it? It's correct. It's 6. All right. Then we do not have 8 here. We have 7 here. So 7 minus 1, how much is it? Correct. It is 6 again. So this is the answer. 2 minus 2 will become 0. So this is our answer. So the answer is, we will try to read the number, put commas here. Palak Didi's handwriting is really, really bad. Please sorry for that. But the answer for this question is 6 lakh, because 6 is in lakh position, 60,000, 66,311. So by how much did the population grow? The population grew by 6,66,311. All right. Moving on to the next question. So in this question, what we did was, we read the question. ठीक है, हमने question को पढ़ा, फिर हमने question को एक बार फिर से sentence by sentence पढ़ा, फिर हमने annotate भी किया to understand the words that we can see on the screen. And after that, what we did was, we tried to understand the keyword. The keyword was how much did the population grow? And then we tried to subtract the numbers by our method, जिसमें हम place value we write and then we try to subtract by vertical method. So the next question of the day is, I will read the question for everybody. Okay. Dodo Bhaiya deposited rupees, we will try to read this number, in a bank. Okay. On Friday, he wanted to take out deposited money and decided to take out itna amount. How much money is left in the bank? Okay. So we all know Dodo Bhaiya, right? We all love Dodo Bhaiya a lot. So Dodo Bhaiya deposited how much money? This is what we are going to read now. Okay. So this money is, we will try to assign the place name as usual. We all know how to assign it. Unit 10, 100,000. Can you all also read with Palak Didi? 1,000. 10,000. And lakh. Okay, this is the amount that Dodo Bhaiya deposited. deposited यानी deposited मतलब जमा करना. Okay, so if we have money we deposit in the bank. हम बैंक को दे देते हैं because to keep इतना सारा amount at home is very risky, so we keep it in the bank. Okay, bank is a safer place to keep your money. Okay, so uh, on Friday, Dodo he wanted to take out the deposited money. Dodo Bhaiya wanted to take out the amount that he has already deposited. Can we try to read the number that Dodo Bhaiya has deposited? How much money Dodo Bhaiya deposited? I am reading it as 5 lakh 35,000. Yeah, 5 lakh 35,000. And then he wanted to take out some money from the bank. Okay, take out matlab le lena. We all have seen the keyword take out. Take out matlab le lena. ठीक है. Deposited matlab जमा करना. ठीक है. तो उनको money लेना था. How much money? So we will again try to read this number. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So I will read it as 2 lakh. अभी 1000 में कोई नंबर नहीं है, so it will be nothing. फिर 950. So 200, 2 lakh. Oops, 200 बोल दिया मैंने. 2 lakhs 950. Okay. How much money is left in the bank? How much money? जो money उन्होंने deposit किया था, उसमें से उन्होंने some money he took out. Okay. So how much money is left in the bank? बैंक में कितना money बचा है? ठीक है. So अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम कंपेयर करेंगे दोनों नंबर में से which number is larger. Okay. Obviously डोडो भैया deposited the money, यानी उन्होंने money जब जमा किया था, that money will be higher. Why that money will be higher? Because he is again taking out some money from that deposited money. Okay, जितना जमा किया था पैसा उसमें से he is taking out. So obviously this number will be higher. So now Parag, we will write the numbers here. 5. Whatever numbers we are seeing in the question, we will try to write that down in the format, in the vertical format. लाइट ही नहीं है घर में यार, क्या तरीके है. तुम्हारी आवाजें कम कर दो तो मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ. अभी वहीं बैठे रहे 10 मिनट, बाहर मत जाना. Okay, so here we are with the number. So this is the number that Dodo Bhaiya took out from the bank, and this was the number that he deposited. All right. So deposit matlab we all know jama karna. Okay. Please try to remember that deposited matlab jama karna. Okay. And we all have compared the number also. So clearly 5 lakh is bigger than 2 lakh. So we will subtract 2 lakh wala number from 5 lakh wala number, right? Can we do 0 minus 0? Of course we can do 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Here is 0 minus 5. Can we do 0 minus 5? No. In the previous question also it was 0 minus 4. We couldn't do 0 minus 4. What did we do? Baju wale bhaiya, please one number de do. Baju wale bhaiya is again 0. Baju wale bhaiya also doesn't have any number. What will Baju wale bhaiya now do? 100 bhaiya will ask now 1000 bhaiya. 1000 bhaiya, please ek number de do. It has 5. So can 5 give one number? Yes, 5 can absolutely give one number. So 5 will give one number to 100. Now 100 remembers that 10 has asked for one number. So now 100 will give one number to 10. 100 is very nice. Okay, he shares one number. So now 100 will become 9. And 5 is also nice because he shared one number. So it will become 4. These all are nice numbers, okay, because they are sharing with each other. So now 10 will become, now the tens place will become 10. Okay, now my 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 5, how much? 5, correct. Lovely. Now here it is 9, okay, because one number 10 gave to the tens place. So 9 minus 9, 9 minus 9 becomes 0. Correct. And here, because 5 gave one number to the hundreds place, because 100 bhaiya aake mang rahe the. Now 5 becomes 4, and 4 minus 0 is 4 again, and 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 minus 2 becomes 3. This is our answer. So Dodo Bhaiya ne 5,35,000 amount जमा किया था बैंक में, deposited the amount 5,35,000, and he took out 2,09,000, and 2 lakh and 950. Okay, there was no 1,000 amount that he took up. So a bank may, how much amount is left with the bank? That is safe bank may, how much amount is left is, we will try to read it again. यूनिट पे 0 है, टेंस पे 5 है, 100 पे there's 0, on 1000 there's 4, on 10,000 there's 3, on lakhs there is 3. So we will read it. 3,34,050. 3,34,050 is the amount left with bank in Dodo Bhaiya's account. Okay, so this is our answer. We are all done. Just to summarize what Palak Didi did in step 1, read the question. Step 2, read the question sentence by sentence, tried to understand the meanings of the word, just like we do in RC. We try to understand the meanings of the word, then read the numbers, number को reading किया, then did the subtraction after comparing कि कौन से number में से कौन सा minus होगा. All right, perfect. We are lovely human beings. We have done our mathematics. Friends, so what we have done is we have tried to read the question first, then try to read the number also. Okay, we have read number. Now what we have done is try to understand the meanings of different words that are there in the question after reading. So words like deposited, deposited matlab jama karna. Words like take out matlab le lena. How much money is left, which is a keyword for subtraction problem. So kitna money bacha hai bank mein. All right. So what we've done is we have written the bigger number first and then the smaller number. We have compared the number as well. Obviously 5 lakh is larger, is bigger than 2 lakhs. Okay, so that's what we will do minus with. Okay, now we will minus 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, can we do 0 minus 5? I don't think we can do 0 minus 5, right? So what we will do is we will go to hundreds place and be like, bhaiya ek number de do. But 100 place mein bhi 0 hai. Now what we will do is we will ask for 1000 place to give one number to 100 place. And then let's see if 100 place is nice enough to give us one number. Okay, so now 1000 place will give one number to 100 place, and now 1000 place will become 4 because 5 gave one number to 100th place. Now abhi bhi 10th place ke paas it's still 0, so 10th place will again go to 100th place and be like, bhaiya mujhe ek number de do. Now bhaiya has 10 numbers, it will give one number, so how much it will become? 9. Correct. Okay, now 10th place become 10, so 10 minus 5 gives us 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 0 is, give me the answer, 4. Correct. 3 minus 0, again 3. And 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. Well done. So this is our answer. So what we did, we read the question sentence by sentence, tried to understand the meaning of each word, annotated to understand the meaning, and also read the number. Okay? And then we tried to find which number is bigger, and then we also tried to find what are the keywords of the subtraction. After that, we did the subtraction and found the answer. Okay, I hope we all are clear with whatever we are supposed to do. And we will move on to just understanding what is our confidence level. If you are confident enough, please show me a smile, just like Paragit is showing. If you're not very confident, you can be like, should be okay, Palak I will try to practice more. Also, Palak is attaching a worksheet with the link that you see. You also will receive a worksheet. Go solve worksheet and submit it to all your Didis and Bhaiyas, okay? We are going to practice word problem more so that we all will become super good at it and we all enjoy doing it. Okay, perfect. With that, please solve all the questions and send it to Didis and Bhaiyas. And Palak Didi is signing off. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. See you in the class. Okay.